Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a powerful Mini Cooper F36 JCW. Today we're going to change a set of 18 inches rim for this car. Since we are doing this, let me tell you the things that you should know before you change rim for this car. And I'm going to show you 5 sets of rims which I think best suitable for this JCW. So before we proceed, let's talk about the original stock rim specification. This Mini Cooper F56 JCW comes with a stock rim of 18 inches. The rim spec will be 18x7, PCD 5x112, offset is 54. The center bore will be 66.6. So if you're looking for a set of rim for this Mini Cooper F56 and you're using a non-JCW version, there's many rims in the market actually suitable for your car. But if you're using a JCW version like this, understand that the car comes with the stock 4-port calipers at the front. Means that finding a set of rims for this car is no longer easy. Understand that there's many aftermarket rims right now unable to clear the calipers. But worry not, let me show you 5 sets of rims that we have suitable for this JCW. The first rim I'm going to recommend you guys today is this Asgar ARF10. So this is one of the latest model from Asgar. It's a flow foam rim, means it's very lightweight and very tough. So this rim comes with 2 colors, DGM brush and gloss black. This rim is a mesh type design and has a very futuristic design. It works very well onto this JCW. This is Enkai Tuning SC50. For you guys who do not want the rim to look very aggressive or very complicated, this is the one to go. 5 double sweep design, very simple. The color Hyper Silver look big on any colors of cars. So if you're talking about rims that clear big brake calipers, you cannot forget Lenso Jaeger Dyna. This is probably one of the all-time favorite design from Lenso. So this Lenso Jaeger Dyna is very aggressive, very sporty design. But the most importantly, it demonstrates the big brake calipers beautifully. So another all-time favorite rims from Avanti. This is Avanti Storm S1. It's a flow foam rims and it weighs just under 7.8 kilo per piece. Very impressive. This is probably one of the lightest 18 inches rim we can offer to you guys right now. The design has spoke until the end, look very big, very aggressive. Most importantly, it demonstrates and clears the caliper without any issue. So this is OZ Leggera HLT. OZ is a rim manufacturer from Italy. And as you guys know, they are the rim manufacturer for all the Formula 1 cars in the world right now. HLT stands for Highlight Technology. It's used to produce all the rims for Formula 1 cars. And it's the same technology used to produce the rim right here. This rim is just under 8 kg per piece and very durable, suitable for Malaysian use. The design is clean and aggressive. Gloss black color match this JCW perfectly. So the only downside is that since the tires are non-run flat tires, so you need to be extra careful when the TPMS sensor tells you when the tires are punctured. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like what we do here, please show us some love, like the video and subscribe to us. And if you're looking for sport rims, please check out our King of Rim Facebook and King of Rim website. Thank you guys for watching. I see you guys in the next video.